Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have already seen that 1709 numbers, how it is related with the date of judgment, or you can say end of the world. So we will just summarize, and we will see the last in a conclusion that all the reference we have taken it from the Quran it's only, and it is undeniable proof with the mathematical statistics and mathematical numbers. So we will just go through once again with all the points, as it was a quite complex video. So in this you can summarize that there are 5 proofs we have presented in the last video. In a first confirmation was that in 1587 was 7 pairs, and it is about the 14 Quranic initials, and all the geometrical value is 1709. So in Quran itself, Allah says in 15 surah and 87 verse that we have given you the 7 pairs, and that 7 pairs is the 14 Quranic initials, as these are the all Quranic initials, and total we know that there are 29 surahs which start with initial verse, which can say as isolated letters. So if you combine these all the letters from these 29 surahs, then the geometrical value of each letters we count, and it comes the 1709. So these are all the total these are the 29 surahs where there are these letters has started with isolated. There are actually no meaning, but it is a mathematical, there are the meanings is hidden with the mathematical structure. So we have taken from these 29 verses out of the 114 verse, and we counted the geometrical value of that 14 pairs, and these are the pairs of that, and geometrical value we added, it comes 1709. And already we saw the verse where it is clearly indicates the Prophet himself confirmed that this is the verse, and this is the Jews of Medina went to Prophet and said, your Quran is the initial with Alif Lam Mim, and so your religions will survive only 71 years. Muhammad said, we also have the Alif Lam Mim Sad, and they said the Alif 1, Lam 10, and Mam is 40, and Sad is 70, so this add up to 161. So that means that your religion will stay more than 71, that means 161 years, you can see here. So in that way it was Al-Sultan famous reference, it was taken a reference. So we have taken, this is the first confirmation, this 1709, why it is the end of the world. Second confirmation we have seen from the natural numbers, composite numbers, and prime numbers, and we have taken the reference of the surah 2 till the verse of 67, as 1709 is a prime number, and that prime number we already seen that what are the index of that prime number. We will check again here, we will put here 1710, so it will give us all the prime numbers with its respective index value. So here you can see 2 is a prime number, the value is 1, 3 is a prime number, value is 2, likewise 19 is a prime number, value is 8, likewise 1709 is a prime number, and its value is 267. As we can see here, its value is 267. So 2 and 67 is a particular number where the verse 2 and till the 67, we will see that how it is interconnected, these two numbers. If we start from the surah 2, the first 7 verse where the God, Allah's name you can say as a God, the first frequency comes here the 1 times. Then after the surah 2 verse 8, again the name of the God comes, and we count as a second number. Likewise if we go, then 2 and 67 verse where the God names appear, and the frequency count precisely 19. And we know that the 19 is a prime number, and why we have taken the 19 we have already explained in the first video, that the Wahid means 1. The geometrical value of the Wahid Wa has a 6 value, Alif has a 1, Ha has a 8, and Dal has a 4. So if we add these all geometrical value, it comes the 19, and Wahid means 1. So God says that I am the one who created this scripture, and I put my sign with the mathematical of the 19 structures, so you cannot even change a single letter and single word out of the Quran. And He protected it, as He promised into the Quran that how He protected the Quran. So He proved and He protected each and every letters and word and verse and chapter and numbers, and it's all the sequence and its particular harmonization of the wording and sounds, and everything is precisely protected. So that's why we counted from the 7 verse, the first the God names appears, then in Surah 2 verse 8, likewise Surah 2 67, the last 19 word of the God appears. So we take it as a 267 precisely, as we have seen here, that this is the number, how it is precisely matching with that, the frequency of the God. As we see here 267, and we can see here also that 2 and 67 is the position of that end of the world. It's a prime number, and the position is 2 and 67. Another confirmation that these are all the prime numbers and natural numbers. These are all the natural numbers from 1 to 67 as example, we have taken it, and prime number from 2 to 67. So it is also the one of the miracle, as we can see here, that 67 is the 19th position. 67 is a prime number, and its position, if you count it from the 2 is the first, then 67 will be the 19th index in a prime number. So again, if we have previously seen that Surah 2, the verse 7, it is started with the frequency in the first, and the Surah 2 verse 67, the God names appears 19 times. So that's the reason we have taken again the composite number between 2 to 67. So these are all the composite number 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Likewise you can see 67. So we have taken between all the composite numbers. If you remove the prime number from this natural number, the remaining numbers are the composite number. And if you add all these composite numbers, and the addition is again comes the 1709. So it's pretty simple, like 4 plus 6, these are the numbers we are taken 4, 6, 8, 9 plus 9 plus 10. Likewise, if we continue till the 66, if we take all the composite number and if we add all these composite number, the addition is again comes the 1709. So these are this is the way that why we have taken this proof as a 1709 is a second confirmation, where the 1709 is a prime number index is 267, and if we add all the composite number between 2 to 67, again the number is 1709 only. And if from the why we took the 2 to 67, as the Surah 2 till the 67, the 19 times the God name comes. So that's the reason the 267, again the position of this is again the 267. So we will go with the third confirmation from the Quran, that 43 Surah and 61, God says that Jesus set as a mark for the end of the world. So what does it mean? Actually the Jesus birth from the Muhammad birth, if you say as a Jesus birth from the 0 and Muhammad birth is 570. So the 2280 is as per the solar calendar, 1709 is as per the lunar calendar. These are as the lunar and this is as per the solar calendar. So both the date and year are synchronizing. Once the 1709 comes, at the time the solar calendar comes around 2280. So if you take the difference as 1709, till the religion will survive or submission will survive, and once the first Muharram of the 1710 is the first Muharram, the first seconds the world will end, and so you take the difference between 2280 to 1710, it is again coming the precisely 570. If you minus from these two numbers, the number will again come the 570. So it is again the same. Jesus is the birth 0 and Muhammad birth, till the difference is again the 570 years. So God says that Jesus set as a mark for the end of the world, that you can check from the 43 surah and 61 verse. We will see again the fourth confirmation, where the 18 and 25 verse, God says that He has increased the 300 by the 9 years. That number we have already seen in the previous video, so we will not go through again with that. We will just reconfirm this all the 5 signs that why this number is so precise. That Rashad Khalifa, as a submitter, he discovered in 1980, and at the same time the lunar calendar 1400. So if you take the difference, or you minus from the 1709, from the when the time he discovered this, the hidden secret, that these are remain end of the world kept hidden in 20 surah and 15, that 5th sign we will see that though that was the hidden, but he discovered as God allow him and to discover the sign, and he chooses to whomever he allows to show the miracles, then it is up to the God. And we can see the confirmation from the Quran itself, that if you open the 18 verse and 25 verse, there are the numbers 309, and this is actually the solar calendar and the lunar calendar are precisely matching each other. As you can see that the 300 solar calendars, as we have seen in the previous video, equal to 309 lunar calendars. So whatever the 300 solar calendars equal to the 309 lunar calendars. So in that verse it is mentioned about the solar calendar as well as the, if you count as the lunar calendar, it will be 309. If you count as a solar calendar, it will be the 300 years. So what happened? After each 11 years there are the 1 year difference. As 1 year there are 11 days difference between solar and lunar calendars, as the lunar calendar depends on the moon, and solar calendars reference take it as a sun. So these are the difference, and if we count the time when it was discovered, the 1980 minus 2280, it comes 300. And once we take the difference from as per the lunar calendar 1709 minus 1400, because these are the synchronized. With the time of once the the end of the world was discovered, it was 1980, and at the time the lunar calendar was 1400. You can reconfirm with this from the online data as well as from the your calendar itself. Once you see the 1980 at the time, precisely 1400 lunar calendar will come. So we take just the 1709 minus 1400, it will come precisely 309. So this is the 4th confirmation, where in 18 surah 25 chapters again it reconfirmed that what was discovered by the Rashad Khalifa. And the 5th confirmation, the 20 surah and 15 verse, which is already end of the world kept hidden. This is very precise, and this is a final confirmation that this date is undeniable and unbreakable. That this is the confirmed that once the 1709 will pass, the world will end. So we will see that this is the 2015, it is the composite number, and this we will open it again into the Quran also. The 20 and 15 verse, it precisely says, the hour is surely coming, I will keep it almost hidden, for each soul must be paid for its works. As we can see, the 20 surah and 15 verse, and 20 as a time when it was discovered. As we have seen that Rashad Khalifa has discovered it 1980, so it is going the 20th century. And 15, as you can see here, these are 20th century, and at the time of these are the solar calendar. And as per this 15, it is a lunar calendar. 14 Hijri, you can say as the 15th century as per the lunar calendar. So both the century, at the time of discovery also, it is very clear and it's so transparent, it is undeniable that once he discovered at the time, this both the date are even matching with the Quran. And one more proof, this 2015 is the composite number, means you can divide by 5. So if we remove all the prime numbers, which is actually, if these prime numbers are still even using by the crypto and by the password protections, and so you cannot say that the number is undeniable proof. As you just remove all the prime numbers, and we have made a program, and we can see here that how it is precisely calculated. So this is the composite number program, and we will just type here 2020, so it will count all the prime numbers before the 2020. So you can see here, these are all the prime numbers. It's beginning from the 4, 6, 8. Here in this composite number program, we have removed all the prime numbers, and then whatever the remaining numbers are the composite number. So we can see here that 2015, the position we can check here. This is the position, again 1709, undeniable proof that this date is the final date, and it is as per the precisely Quran. We can see here the 2059 composite number and the precisely the index. As you can see, 2009 has the position 1704. Likewise, if we keep going, and here once it 2015 comes, the position comes precisely 1709. And 20, at the time of Rashid Khalifa discovered 1980, it is the 20th century. And at the time precisely, you can see here the 15, at the time of the lunar calendar. This is as per the solar calendar, and this is as per the lunar calendar. It is the 15th century. And if you see this 2015 as a composite number and position is again 1709. So these are the very solid proof. And God says in the Quran, the hour is surely coming, I will keep it almost hidden. And He kept it hidden as He wanted to discover by the Rashid Khalifa as his chosen submitter. And he has discovered precisely this time, and it is precisely matching with as well as the composite number as well as. So we'll again check that back to the confirmation that there are the 5 signs we have already seen in the previous video, and again we have reconfirmed it, so there will be no any missing points. So first confirmation by the Prophet Muhammad, 1587, 7 pairs, 14 Quranic initial. We have taken that numbers and we have taken the geometrical values. As geometrical values, we want to see again that these are the abjad values, how we counted, and you can check it into the Wikipedia, abjad numerals. And at the time of 14,000 years before, the people were using, at the time of Muhammad, there were no number system, number was not discovered. So the people were using as a letters to count as a numbers. As the number was not there, so if suppose they wanted to buy something like a value of the 2, they use the bar, or they want to write down some the notes about the numbers, then they use it as a letters to count as a number. So this system become obsolete once the number was discovered, but it was a hidden, it was actually the remain into the Quran, and it's a very intricate structures it describes here. So we have taken these all the 14 Quranic initials as we have seen it here. All the Quranic initials we have taken it from this abjad value, and from the Wikipedia you can even count it. So we will see again the we will back to the position that the second confirmation. First confirmation is a total geometrical value. Second confirmation is a prime number, and his index is 267. And Surah 2 to 7 to Surah 2 to 67, precisely 19 times God frequency comes, and the 267 is the position, as we have seen already in this the prime number, composite number. That position is 267. It is precisely matching with that one, 2 and 67. This is the prime number position of the 1709. Third confirmation we have seen as a Jesus set as a mark for end of the world, and this is also precisely matching if you divide 2280 minus 170, 570. And fourth confirmation, 18 and 25, 309 years increase, and that time of the Rashid Khalifa discovered, and if you minus from the 2280 to 1709, it's precisely 9 year difference between the solar and lunar calendar. Fifth confirmation, we have seen 20 surah and 15 God precisely says that end of the world kept hidden, and 2015 is the composite index is again 1709. And so these are the, it's actually the many proofs that confirms that this is the end of the world. Hope you enjoy it, and keep subscribing the channel, so God willing you will see the more new videos.